You want to upload reels that are 60 seconds or longer on Facebook. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end. So let's start. First, we need to do something very important. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store and update the Facebook app to the latest version, and later I'll tell you why this is very important. So once you do that, go ahead and open the Facebook app, and of course you have to be logged into your account. So open Facebook and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to go to menu. From menu, tap on see more right there, expand this list of course, and then tap on Reels right here. Now tap on create at the top next to the search icon. Then tap on camera in the top left corner. From here, all you need to do is to start recording your reel, because in the new update you can automatically record more than 60 seconds and up to 90 seconds, just like that, as I said before. So once you're done, you can even add some cool stuff to your reel by adding these options right here. And then once you're done, tap on next in the bottom right corner and you should be good to go. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.